In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize COD Mobile controls in Bluestacks. By the end, you'll have a clean, comfortable layout that fits your playstyle, whether you're a beginner or an experienced player looking to fine-tune every key. Let's start with the easiest and most flexible option, the built-in controls editor. First, launch BlueStacks 5 and open Call of Duty Mobile. Once you're on the game screen, open the key mapping tool from the right sidebar by clicking the keyboard icon labeled Game Controls, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus A to open it instantly. Next, click Controls Editor to enter the advanced editor. You'll see all your current bindings overlaid on the screen, things like WASD for movement, shoot, and aim. To change a control, simply click any control icon and press the key or mouse button you want to assign. For example, you can keep movement on WASD, map shooting to the left mouse click, and aiming to the right mouse click. If you want extra customization, add new controls by clicking Add Control. Choose the type you need, tap for on-screen buttons, aim for shooting modes, or swipe for directional movements. Then place it where it belongs on the screen and assign a key. When you're done, click the Save checkmark, close the editor, and test everything in-game to make sure it feels right. If you prefer a quick start, use Smart Preset Controls. Open the Game Controls menu, pick the default COD Mobile layout, apply the preset, and you're ready to play immediately. This is a solid foundation and great for beginners. For a familiar PC-style setup, try this recommended layout. WASD to move, left click to shoot, right click to aim, shift to sprint, R to reload, space to jump, C to crouch, Z to go prone, and the number keys 1 and 2 to switch weapons. These choices mirror popular shooter conventions and make transitions between games seamless. If something isn't working, here are quick fixes. If controls don't respond, make sure game controls are enabled in BlueStacks. If your mouse isn't locking to the screen for aiming, press F1 to enable shooting mode. And if keys feel delayed, enable high FPS mode in BlueStacks settings for smoother input. A few final tips to optimize your experience. Toggle shooting mode with F1 for tighter aim control, lower in-game graphics if you want more consistent frames, and don't be afraid to tailor the layout to your role. Snipers often prioritize precise aim, while rush players might prefer easier access to sprint and jump. Save, test, and refine until it feels natural.